Hello, hello. Sanvi, now can you listen to me? Now, can you listen to me? Deepti, can you listen to me? Hello? Now check. Can you listen to me? Can you hear me? Is board visible to you? One of you answer. Yes. Is the board visible? More visible? Check. Thank you. Now let us start reciprocal relations. So far in the trigonometric ratios, we completed standard angles. First topic is the T ratios, the trigonometric ratios. Second topic is standard angles. And the third topic is trigonometric identities. It is topic number 3. Okay. I will repeat whatever I discussed at the end. Let us start reciprocal relations. So the reciprocal relations set 1. We already know that what are the reciprocal relations. Sin theta and cosec theta reciprocal relations. Therefore, sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta. Go on giving them numbers. Better you list them by giving numbers. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. In this set, second one is cos theta is equal to 1 upon reciprocal of sec theta is cos theta. Third one is tan theta. Reciprocal of cot theta. Reciprocal of cot theta. Welcome all of you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Sanket. Reciprocal of sec theta is cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. You can even write it as what is 1 upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta is equal to, remember them as independent entities. They will improve your speed of solving identities. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. We studied already. Similarly, reciprocal of cos theta, 1 upon cos theta will be equal to sec theta. Separately identify them identities, make a list, and in a small sheet you write all these identities. Whatever identities we are collecting, don't remember only one. Remember all of them. Wherever there is 1 by sin theta, you can put cosec theta. 1 by cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. Similarly, reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. Set 1, reciprocal identities or relations. And you can continue. Even 7th one, sin theta, go on giving numbers, and you just have a cheat for 2-3 days, make them perfect, reproduce them, write them 2-3 times, recall them through 2-3 times. You must be mentally ready. Mind ready is important, not pen ready. It should be there in your mind. Your mind mathematics is very important. Therefore, we started Vedim's app. Right? So, Vedim's helps you to improve mind calculations. Even in MCQ test also, you have to solve 30 questions in 15 minutes. Means your mind must be speed. Therefore, sin theta into cosec theta. Time based quizzes will be there. Is equal to 1. Consider it one as another identity. Similarly, if you take this cos theta into sec theta is equal to what? 1. Then 9th one is tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So that you are asked to prove, I will show just one proof, right? For class 10 students, if you are asked to prove that, right? Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Now, just I will show one and remember others easily. Let me consider a right angle triangle ABC. This one is 90 degree. The side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. As you know, our symbol A, and suppose that I take C as a reference angle, and it will become what? Opposite. Okay. Now you can write LHS. Suppose that you are asked to prove that for 1 mark or 2 mark question, theory. Prove that sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Similarly, all of them can be proved, but only proof is not sufficient to solve identities. Therefore, I'm giving numbers. You make a separate sheet, not in your notebook, separate small page you take and write all the entities and keep them in your pocket. For 2-3 days, you memorize them. If you forget, whenever you get a time, you are waiting for a teacher to come or you are waiting for a bus. Around the clock, this sheet must be there inside your pocket, so that you can, in a small letters you write, like people make a copy ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ ಹುಡುಗರು ಸಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Once you learn it and tear it and throw it away. 2-3 days are required to make all these entities perfect. This is the best strategy for competitive exams also. I will show you later. While solving identities, I have got a variety of problems and moderate, tough, very tough questions I will solve. So there you will understand. LHS. What is the sine? Suppose this angle is theta. What is the sine theta is equal to, in right angle triangle, in a right angled triangle. Suppose that you are asked to prove in the theory for 1 mark or 2 mark. In right angle triangle ABC, what is the sine theta is equal to? Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, got it now? Fine. Now, can I take this numerator? Observe here carefully. Suppose that you remember this simple mathematical trick. Suppose that you have 2/3. Can you take this? It is nothing but 2 divided by 3, right? Can I take this one as denominator of denominator? Can I write, if I write it as 1 divided by 3/2? Can I write it? Because the denominator of denominator goes to what? Numerator. Remember it as a concept. That is, x by y is equal to 1 upon y by x. You remember it. X upon y can be written in mathematics as 1 upon y by x. Remember it as denominator of denominator goes to where? Numerator. Therefore, can I write this opposite upon hypotenuse? Opposite upon hypotenuse like this, using this trick. Tricks are very important, my dear students. And I can write this one as 1 upon hypotenuse upon opposite. That is equal to 1 upon. Observe here. What is hypotenuse upon opposite is? What is hypotenuse upon opposite is? Hypotenuse upon opposite is cosec theta. Cosec theta. Hence, you got sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Hence, proved. For class 10 students, you can prove like this. I have just shown you one example. All the others can be easily proved. Let us repeat all the 9. Then I will rub it. You go on continuously writing the number. Sin theta is equal to, remember it as 1 upon cosec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. Sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1. Very useful identity. Cos theta and sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta and cot theta is equal to 1. This is the first set. 9 relations, 9 reciprocal relations we collected. Let us write 9 here. I think all of you noted it. Note down this. Okay. Then continue with the next. Okay. Shall I rub this? I hope you noted all of them. And if at all you are asked to prove for 1 mark or 2 mark questions, class 10 state students, Cbse students, Icse students, you can prove them also. I will show the proofs also. But what is important is keeping these 9 identities in mind. Mind mathematics is more important nowadays, not the pen mathematics. 10th mathematics era is gone, my dear students. Here all competitive exams, Karnataka CT or any JEE, NEET or any competitive examinations, they are time based multiple choice questions. For time based, you have to apply 3-4 concepts at a time. Therefore, you must train your mind, right? Therefore, we developed an app called as Vedims. They are time based MCQ test. You can't give it on paper, but you can give it in app. Therefore, one app is developed by spending 8 to 10 lakhs by my senior students of 2004 batch for the benefit of the younger generation. First of all, you can improve all basic mathematics. If your basic mathematics is strong, automatically physics and chemistry and mathematics numericals you can solve very quickly, particularly Icse students. Many of you are weak in mathematics, I have seen. If your mathematics is weak, automatically your physics numericals become weak and chemistry numericals become weak, because most of the competitive examination focus on numericals. Many knowledge based questions will be there, then skill based questions will be there, and application based questions will be there, that you have to answer. Particularly Karnataka CT, 60 questions, 60 minutes. In 1 minute you have to take the judgment. And there the time based quizzes available in the Vedims are going to help you try to understand what you are doing correctly. They will give you time based quiz in the app just by paying a nominal amount. Courses you select, just pay it. You are spending a lot of money for other things, you just spend this. That too, go to the app developer. App developer invested money, he wants nominal fees from you, and try to add your subscribers, your classmates to join me. But they must be consistently attend the live stream. Otherwise, my classes become meaningless. One is consistent and focus. Proper environment is required, and talent is required. These three are the requirements to become successful, right? Determination, devotion, dedication. 3D is equal to 2S. 3D means determination. You have to decide what is your goal, plus devotion, plus dedication. Dedication is equal to 2S means sure success. This is the formula given by my teacher, late Sri Srinivas Deshpande, Ganit Lok Dharwad. My teacher, my guide, my philosopher, late Sri Ganit Lok Dharwad. He gave this formula to me and it worked for me. It should work for you also. Determination andra sankalpa bala. Devotion andre ಭಕ್ತಿ, ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ. ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಪಣಾ ಮನೋಭಾವ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದ. ಯು ಮೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿವೋಷನ್, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ಡೈಲಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ at the same time and then slowly you will understand me what I am speaking. I am not a YouTuber, it is not a YouTube channel, it is a academic channel, academic institute. Lokzi, Lokagnan is a academic institute. Vedims is a academic app supporting students of class 10 up to PUC2 and those who are preparing for competitive examinations. Okay, move on to the second set, tangent relations. Tangent relations. Observe. Tangent relations or tangent identities. See, formula number 10, tan theta is equal to, prove that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. 11, cot theta is equal to cos theta, reciprocal of tan theta is cos theta. Have some common sense, sin theta. Now suppose that you are asked to prove this. For class 10 students, you can simply prove like just now I did. Let me again take the same triangle ABC, consider it as theta. Theta is the reference angle. This will be opposite, this will be adjacent, this will be hypotenuse. Daily clearly follow my instructions. Join my WhatsApp group. Why I am telling you is that it is an academy. Logs is not a YouTuber. I am not a YouTuber. I am founder of Lokagnan Gadag Institute, ran offline classes for 22 years. Due to my age factors, I am not moving there anywhere. Therefore, I am coming live stream now. Now I am already 56. Doctors told me not to take too many offline classes. Therefore, to help you, support you, right? I am coming live stream. I am not a YouTuber. It is not a YouTube class. It is a live class. You are not subscribers. You are my students. Desais are students. I want my students to be on the top. There are thousands of students who are in top. I want you to join this Lokji family. Thousands of students are there. Even they can guide you in future also. Even many doctors are there. Many engineers are there. They are staying in Australia, America, throughout the globe. Even in Bangalore, there are many. They can guide you. They can help you. And I will help you with their numbers. Even in agri field, any field you go, my students are there. They will help. More than 10,000 students I taught in my 27 years of service. Therefore, you take the benefit of it. I will be there, your guide, your friend. These classes are home classes. ನಾನು ಮನೆ ಪಾಠದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಯಾರಾಗಬೇಕು, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಆಸ್ ಎ ಫಿಲಾಸಫರ್, ಆಸ್ ಎ ಗೈಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ and therefore join. After that you close the mobile, keep the mobile outside. Only at the quiz time you take Vedim's app and use it and again hand over it to your parents. Therefore we started Partha Gurukula Study Hostel in Dharwad, one branch. Only 16 students I am taking this year, 20 students in my native place Gadag. Already everything is ready now. If any students of Dharwad, Gadag wants a Gurukula system from morning 5 o'clock till night 10:45, timetable will be there. I will be available and warden will be there and live classes will be available on smart TV or smart board or projector, right? So 5 days I will be in Dharwad. Saturday and Sunday I will be available in a branch. Okay, I have sent you in the WhatsApp group. If you join there, I have sent you the details, address of the poster. First of all, you join WhatsApp group, then you download Vedim's app. Then this course becomes meaningful. You after completion of your school studies and your tuitions, and this is the work goal oriented. Which goal you have? What is your goal? You write in the WhatsApp group and join WhatsApp group. Join live stream. It is not a recorded video. I am coming live stream. Consider it as a classroom. I am your teacher. You are not my subscribers. You are my Lokji family students. Okay. I will take your numbers in Excel sheet. Give rank list also and your performance progress to your parents. I will send. Everything is totally academic. Right? Fine. So now, what is tan theta in this one? In right angle triangle. Start proving it. In a right angle triangle ABC, tell me what is tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, opposite upon adjacent. Look at here. And now if I divide numerator and denominator, this is called as arrangement skill. Numerator and denominator by hypotenuse h. What I get here? Is there any mistake? I can write a tan theta as divide numerator, that is O by h divided by A by h. This is one mathematical arrangement. H gets cancelled. Is the original ratio changed? No, because h cancels. This is called as arrangement skill. Divide numerator and denominator by h. Now observe in the right angle triangle. What opposite upon hypotenuse gives you? Opposite upon hypotenuse gives you, yes, sin theta. What is adjacent upon hypotenuse gives you? Cos theta. Hence the proof. Similarly, you can prove this. Hence the proof. Right? And these two identities, 10th and 11th, you remember in Tangent relations. Now we completed up to 11 here. Tangent relations. I hope all of you understood this. Quickly we will move on to the third one. What is important is application of these formulae. Therefore, you have a separate sheet. And very important, most of the questions appear on third set. Third set is the Pythagorean identities. I call them as Pythagorean identities. Why? I will tell you in a short time. Pythagorean identities. Pythagorean identities. Because you are proving them on the basis of Pythagoras theorem. Formula number 12 is a sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you remember only this identity, you cannot solve problems on it that I am giving shortly. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 14th one, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These are basic identities. Generally for 10th class, they will be asked for 2 marks to prove this. If you know the proof, you will have solid logical base. That is called as concept. Let me take the same right angle triangle. Let me call again ABC. I will not change it. And theta is a reference angle. Then it becomes adjacent, becomes opposite upon hypotenuse. Why I am calling them as Pythagorean identities is because you are using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Surinder Kumar, those who have not yet joined my WhatsApp group, please join. Regular updates I will give. Many of you are just watching. There are only subscribers and all of them have not joined the group. Please ask your friends and yourself also, join the WhatsApp group. There I will do lot of activities. I will interact with you, send your doubt slips, take a photo and send the questions, and I will solve them in the live stream. No one has a yet active in the WhatsApp group. You are silent there. No, this will not work because I can't understand what you are doing. You are not at all sending doubts questions. You are not at all solving identities. Means this laziness and postponement are your enemies. Understand it. Therefore, I told you, those who want to become you are not subscribers, non-10th, non-PUC, non-PUC2 students, never join here. Only 10th, PUC1, PUC2 students I am coaching for more than 27 years. It is a coaching center. And it will smoothly prepare you. This will support, boost your school and college activities. Homework, I will not give much homework. You try them, you practice them. Definitely you can improve your performance. Theoretical concept I will clear first. Then I will start subjective questions. Then MCQ. Multiple choice questions of Karnataka CET, JEE, NEET. Also I will solve step by step. Okay. And observe here. You are using Pythagoras theorem in a right angled triangle. In right angled triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Proof of it. Proof of it by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angled triangle, square and the hypotenuse h square is equal to adjacent square, opposite square plus adjacent square. Call it as equation 1. This is the main identity. That is the result. Now what I do is case 1. Case 1. What you want here? You want the first identity to be proved. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now divide both sides of equation 1. Both sides of equation 1 by h square. What do you get here? You will get h square upon h square is equal to o square upon h square plus a square upon h square. I hope you are getting me. Okay. I'll rub this part. Right. Those are not written my phone number, save the phone number so that you will get notifications. And even if I make a community group, it will be helpful later. Slowly I will go on making this more meaningful. H square cancels. It is 1. Observe, O square upon H square can be written as O by H whole square. Can I write it? Because you know that A square upon B square is equal to A by B raised to A raised to N upon B raised to N is equal to A by B raised to N. At the school level you studied. I am using same identity. Okay. Plus. Can I write it as A by H whole square? Fine. Now observe in the right angle triangle, what is opposite upon hypotenuse? Is it not sine theta? Sine theta square plus adjacent upon hypotenuse is cos theta whole square. Now in trigonometry, how do you write square is? You can write it as sine, this is 1, sine, in between sine and theta you are writing in between like this, sine square theta plus cos. Don't write capital letters, first letters must be small. Keep your writing speed and accurate. Thus the first identity is proved. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Put a box, hence proved. First identity. Hence proved. You will be asked for 2 marks. Theory question. I will cover both theory, subjective paper as well as objective paper. First, to enter into any competitive examination, you have to pass PUC2. First, you understand it. Theory, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks questions will be there. In class 10, PUC1, PUC2, focus on it. Many students are preparing for NEET JEE. They neglect the theory questions. They have no writing. What to write, what not to write. What is the scheme of evaluation in PUC? You have to focus on it. Many students failed. One student, I have got example, he was my relative. He got 89, 90 and he was a PCM, yes, stat he had taken. And he got 90 plus, he neglected only take token, he focused on PCM, neglected statistics. And he was focusing on CET, Karnataka CET, and failed in statistics. What happens? Once you fail in one of the 6 subjects, your result of PUC2 will be fail. Then what is the meaning in Karnataka CET? And many students think that NEET does not consider PUC marks. Hare, in NEET, knowledge of PUC1, PUC2 is required. Without PUC1, PUC2 textbook knowledge, how can you answer the application questions on the same theory? Your thinking is wrong. Your homework quality is wrong. Therefore, I am coming live stream by looking thousands of present generation students. You have got nonsense ideas in your mind. Please don't mistake me. I am telling you frankly, as a senior teacher, I am telling you frankly. See, NEET and JEE, therefore you neglect PUC1. See, this is only objective exam to enter into higher studies. If you don't have PUC1, PUC2 knowledge, how can you understand medical books, engineering books? Their theory comes again. This entrance examination is just to filter the students. Therefore, take subject study seriously. Reference books, study them, practice them. IDNs will write reams of papers. Practice. Train your brain. Sitting hours together. 8 hours, 9 hours, they will study. You just see the Mathematics Today magazine. I'm a subscriber of it for 30 years. They will give interview. They used to work for 8 to 10 hours on study table, not on mobile. Please understand it, my dear students. As a senior, it is my duty to warn you what are the mistakes you are doing. NEET JEE, They will not consider PUC marks, therefore I will neglect PUC mark, only focus on NEET and JEE. It is a nonsense thinking, perfect idiot thinking. I am telling you, study seriously every concept step by step. Once the concepts are clear, physics concepts are clear, mathematics concepts are clear, biology concepts are clear, they are global subjects, big branches. Your engineering will be developed based on pure maths, pure physics, your knowledge. Narayan Murthy sir till study physics pure science books, who is the founder of Infosys company. He says that more than 70% engineers coming out are useless. They don't have basic knowledge. Only 30% engineers are running the country. Please understand this fact and don't have meaningless concepts. By talking with your friends have got the same knowledge as you are. This negligence is going to create only two things, tension and fear. And automatically you will be a loser. I'll warn you, take my warning seriously. I'm not coming here to increase the YouTube subscribers. At least those who are viewing me, I must make them alert. Without studying theory, without building ground floor, you cannot build first floor, second floor, third floor. JEE is present in third floor. You start with the first floor, which is the pure science basic. Take reference books to learn physics, basic concepts. You use H.C. Verma book, solve R.D. Sharma mathematics book, that is book, reference books. Study them in depth. Minimum 8 hours you have to study. Wonderful authors are there. Only don't study objective. Subjective things, concepts, you study them, digest them. Then you can get application skills. Some juniors, students nowadays are, so someone asked me, solve 2026 JEE. I am not a JEE NEET teacher. I am NEAT teacher. Neatly teach the theory first, then I will develop. I am not a NEET teacher. NEET is just an entrance exam. I am a NEET pure science teacher. Pure science teacher. My teachers taught me pure science. Read pure science books. Then you can crack NEET JEE very easily. NEET JEE very easily. Only thing is that it is a mind game. These are mind game. Mind game can be done only the things are digested in your mind. You solve more problems, and application skill will improve. Then only you can crack NEET. To crack NEET, you have neatly study the pure science. Then only you can crack NEET and JEE. Please take my warning. Otherwise, I don't want my students. You are not my subscribers. You are my students, Lokji family members. We are dedicated to help the students, support the students, serve the students. I have dedicated my whole life to serve you people. Therefore, I am coming live stream because I can't meet you. I can't move due to my health issues. I am coming live stream and warning. This is the mistake you are doing. First, stop it. Take book, study hard, and in depth you have the concepts. Then prepare shortcuts. Then keep them in your mind. Have a diary of your time saving result, TSR. I will give you TSRs after studying the theory part. Step by step you go. Systematic way is the only way of learning. There is no shortcut for learning. You understand it? This is the opinion of all senior teachers. Even my senior teachers are in Dharwad. They are also telling the same thing. Present generation students are not worried about study. They are worried about only objective, tick, the correct answer. No. How can you tick? Without knowledge, how the answer will be correct? Without knowledge, first you gain knowledge, then you can apply it. Okay, fine. Next, second identity. Now, I will rub this. Now, I will take the same first equation. Now, you divide. Second case. We have to prove that 1 plus tan square theta. Now, you divide both sides by. Already you divided by hypotenuse square. Divide both sides by adjacent square. What do you get here? Hypotenuse square upon adjacent square is equal to opposite square upon adjacent square plus adjacent square upon adjacent square. This time adjacent square cancels. H square upon a square becomes what? H square upon a square becomes h by a whole square is equal to O by a opposite upon adjacent square plus 1. What is hypotenuse upon adjacent is? Tell me, is it not sec theta? It is a sec theta whole square. What is opposite upon adjacent is? Is it not tan theta? You will get a tan theta whole square. Definitely these will appear for 2 marks for 10th standard students. Prove the identity. Square it. Generally squares in trigonometry written in between sec and theta as a superscript plus tan square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1. Now you got 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta. This is the proof of it for theory questions. Focus on both. Hence proved. Now this is theory part. Now we will move on to solve problems. What are the tricks needed? We stopped at 14 now. I hope all of you noted this derivation. Okay. I will rub it. Note down. I will rub it. Okay. What is the last identity? We stopped at 12, right? 13, 14. Up to 11 we completed. Continue now. Now, if you remember these 3 identities, useless, you can't manage theory questions as well as multiple choice questions. Now I will generate a derived formula of sin square theta, cos square theta. Continue now. 15th. Make them as separate identity. Now you take cos square theta to the right. What do you get? 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Consider this one as another identity. Take the square root of it. If you take the square root of 1 minus cos square theta, it will give you another shortcut. These are all TSR, time saving results for competitive examinations. Time saving result, I call them as TSR. They will help you in competitive examinations and solving identities speed. For speed, time saving results will help you increase your speed. Speed will not come overnight, my dear students. By very rigorous practice, you will get it. Square root of this, square root of sin square theta is sin theta. Like a square root of 2 square is 2. Similarly, square root of sin square theta is sin theta. Remember it as a direct identity. Now you do one thing. Instead of cos square theta, you took on the right. This time you take sin square theta to the right. It becomes what? Plus sin square theta. When transposed, it becomes minus sin square theta. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus sin square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 1 minus sin square theta ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? cos square theta ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ TSR ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 minus sin square theta ಇವನ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್, ಎನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, theory questions and text questions and any problems in the question papers without mastering this. Like you have to master IUPAC nomenclature to learn organic chemistry, you have to master these identities. 1 minus sin square theta becomes what? Cos theta. I will go on applying them. You make a separate slip and start solving. Another 1 period I will take and solve identities and finish the combined class. Trigonometry, then I will separate them because there are different topics for PUC1, Icse and state and Cbse. This is the last topic. In a trigonometry, chapter 8 is completed. Now you start practicing. I will send you assignments, and in Vedim's app on trigonometry, I will upload already 430 MCQs are ready. I will upload them in the course. Download the app and go to subject, pay the 360 rupees nominal fees, and complete all the chapters of the course. Which questions, that is MCQ, time based test will be there. And after the test, immediately app will give you the answer. App will evaluate and give you the answer. Then you will understand what is your level. Again try, improve, try, improve. Repeatedly the app will allow you to take second attempt. It will give you the grade also. Tell you try again till you pass it. 19th. Now all the identities of one, sub-identities of 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta are over. Now you take tan square theta. First of all, you do one thing. Take the square root of it on both sides. What do you get? Root of 1 plus tan square theta. Root of 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, what is the square root of sec square theta? Is sec theta. Let me write a separator line here. 19. Give them number. Numbers will always help you. How many identities I must make perfect to solve problems on trigonometric entities? Same thing holds good for PUC1, class 10, state, Cbse, Icse. There is no separate trigonometry for different students. It is a subject, common subject. Therefore, I have combined all of you. Now, you do one thing. You take 1 to the right. What do you get? You will get sec square theta. You take 1 to the right. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to what? Is equal to what? Sec square theta minus 1 becomes what? Tan square theta. Then you can take 21 also. Take a square root of it. What do you get? Root of sec square theta minus 1 is equal to square root of tan square theta will be tan theta. Remember it as another identity. 21. Now I am focusing on sub-identities required for your speed evaluation. Don't open any questions before mastering this. I am telling you, out of my 27 plus year experience, don't take my words lightly. If you neglect it, you will be punished. You just wait and see. I will tell you the future. If you don't follow the instructions of your college teachers, school teachers, they will give instructions. Similarly, I am also your teacher and much worried about your future. Clear? I know what is the problem happening. I am observing silently. What are the problems happening? What are your problems? I know better than you. Therefore, please believe me, accept me as your teacher. If you accept me, follow my instruction, I will take the responsibility of your result. You don't worry. You just work whatever I work give you. 22. Now, we will do another change now. I will take tan square theta to the right. Interesting now. You will get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what? 1. Up to 22. Check, all of you completed. All of you completed 22. Now I will rub this part and you make a cheat. First of all, you make them, learn them. I am not telling by writing. Learning requires repeated writing, repeated memorizing. Like you repeat the mantras, right? 23, these are the mantras to make a trigonometry perfect. 22 mantra, right? You mantra antiralri. ದೇವ್ರ ಮಂತ್ರ ಬಾಯಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಹಂಗ ಇವನು ಬಾಯಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಮಂತ್ರಾಸ್. 23. Is it not in the form of a square minus b square? What is the formula of a square minus b square? A square minus b square. Identities. Trigonometry is a total package of algebra and arithmetic, even geometry also. Therefore, I have chosen trigonometry. Now, can I write this one as sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta? A is a sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. When I made my students to use this, they started solving identities faster than me. You are more intelligent than me. But only thing is that you have no tricks. I am giving you tricks. You can solve identities like football. And if you don't make them perfect, the same identities become short put. You will break your toe. Is equal to 1. Now you do one thing. There is into. You take sec theta plus tan theta to the right. Multiplication becomes what? Division. Now you will get 1 upon sec theta plus tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. 25th. Now you take sec theta minus tan theta to the right. What do you get? 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. I hope you understood. I'll finish all identities today and I will give you time to buy them. Don't neglect my words. Give them number and buy them. Then you can play trigonometric identities like football. I have experimented it with thousands of students. They were successful and they were faster than me. They solved problem. As soon as I write the problem, within 1 minute they used to shout the answers. Hundreds of students. Next, now I will take last identity. Last identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Third identity. So these are sub identities of second one. Third identity was 1 plus cot square theta. Same thing we will do now. Is equal to cosec square theta. And again you take the root. Repeat whatever you did from 19 to 25. 26. You can take now square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So by heart them or learn them. Don't by heart, learn them. Learning is repeated practice. Then I will send you in the WhatsApp group number of practice questions and I will solve another one session identities. Then I separate your batches of mathematics. This work will be there throughout year. Don't worry. Like throughout year till you go to examination hall, Log Z will support you. Vedims will support you regularly. Right? I am not taking any other thing now. Totally dedicated to the Vedim SAP development. I am preparing now advanced level, working on Vedic Maths Module 2 advanced level, which requires for IIT and JEE. And now basic Module 1 I released. Module 2 will be released. Start using Vedic SAP. You can understand what I am speaking. You answer 42 questions in 8 minutes. You will understand on just addition. First topic. Not easy. You will definitely fail in the first attempt. I will guarantee you. Then you have to take 3-4 attempts. Then your speed, mind maths will improve. Then you will be able to handle JEE, NEET easily. This is the step, first step. 27th. Again you take now 1 to the right. What do you get? Cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. 28. Take the square root. Root of cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot theta. 29. 29. Next, you take cot square theta to the right. What do you get? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to what? 1. Again a square minus b square. 30th. You get cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Even Puc 1, Puc 2 students, If your trigonometry is weak, by heart them first, follow my instructions. Whatever I tell you, definitely results will come. These are medicines tested, okay, already proved. Now you take cosec theta plus cot theta to the right. What do you get? 1 upon cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. 32. You take cosec theta minus cot theta to the right. What do you get? 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to, now you will get a cosec theta plus cot theta. Right now this much identities are sufficient up to 10th level. Then I will separate PUC1 classes. Okay. I hope all of you noted them. You take a slip and first of all list them initially. Better in some 30 minutes early morning you wake up and you read them once and close it, write them out of your memory, again check it. Like this you repeatedly practice and make this perfect. Don't touch any exercises before making these 32 identities perfect. It's the first step. Next step is I will solve in the next period. Right? I will send you some homework, and the next period of mathematics will be on Saturday, because on Saturday I have to attend a function. Pratibha Puraskara function is there in Gadag. I have to attend there. Therefore, Saturday there will be no maths class, and directly we will meet on Monday. Right? Tuesday mathematics period will be there. Till then, you make this perfect. I will send you one assignment to make these applications perfect. You start slowly applications today and tomorrow. By tomorrow evening you make it perfect. Then I will send you in WhatsApp group. If you join my WhatsApp group, this course will be useful. If you download Vedim's app, this course will be useful. Everything is planned for 1 year. We worked by spending 8 to 10 lakhs. App are developed just to support you people, which schools and colleges cannot give. Our app will do it, because this is a digital era, and most of the higher level questions will be online questions, online tests. In online, the problem of JEE, whatever question paper is leaked, this problem will not be there. Slowly all tests will become online. Online means Vedim's app. 4 options will come. You have to take the correct answer in the stipulated time, and the automatically result will be given. That app we already developed. We are one step ahead than the school and college exams. Written exams, digital exams will start mostly. Okay, most of the competitive exams conducted by different countries will be online only. You are in a digital era, my dear students. Therefore, Vedim's app is developed to support you. And if you like these classes, join more students. I am not calling them as subscribers. Actively, seriously, regularly, do homework. Write in the chat box how many questions you solved. And after joining the WhatsApp group, write your name, your phone number, parents' WhatsApp number, and so that I can enter in a Excel sheet your details. You are not subscribers, I will add you in Excel sheet. Then I will upload in the WhatsApp group your rank list taken in the offline test will be taken here only. Offline test, online test will be taken by Vedim's app. Download, go to the courses, and Partha Gurukula hostel is open. In Dharwad, only 16 students I will select, not collect, by taking an entrance test. In Gadag, 20 seats only this academic year. Serious parents, serious students can contact me. I have sent in WhatsApp group, in status, it is available. Phone numbers are available. You can call me. Any 2 numbers are available. A manager will be there, warden will be there. Complete Gurukula system, good quality food and quality education. And weekly, I will do counseling of every students. and call one by one and set their goal, support you better. Only 16 students are selected. At a nominal fees, including food, including residence, including my coaching, app charges, everything including, as minimum as possible. I am trying to make the fees and support better from 5 a.m. to evening 9, 10, 45 a.m. Timetable will be there in the hostel. Very strictly discipline will be there, who are ready for it. Those parents who are ready, those serious students who are ready, join my Gurukula. This is an experiment I am doing. And definitely those students who are in Gurukula, I will personally counseling them, personally set their goal. And with my experience, library is available, lot of books are available. And resource persons are available with me. More than 25 to 30 teachers are here in Dharwad who are my good friends. Even my senior teachers are also there. I will call them for solving your doubts. If you send me doubts, they will come live and solve your problems. That's all, my dear students. Meet you tomorrow to learn chemistry in separate classes. All separate classes. At the time, already syllabus is started for PUC1, PUC2. Separate classes are already started. Icse will start from tomorrow, and Saturday and Sunday there will be no class this week, as I am preparing hostel environment completely, study hall, etc. I am preparing. Some repair works are going on in both the hostels, and therefore I will be busy Saturday, Sunday. Directly live stream classes will start from Monday. We'll meet on Monday. And don't enjoy week holidays, weekends. Tomorrow is also holiday. Don't waste time. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you utilize every minute, every second properly, right? And all the best, my dear students. Meet on Monday. Till then, eat well, sleep well, keep your mind and body cool, do meditation, do prayer, take blessings from your teacher. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಲದೇವರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, and have spiritual energy also with you by prayer of your ಇಷ್ಟ ದೇವತೆ, ಕುಲದೇವತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. Everything will be okay. My teachers will support you. Bye bye. See you on Monday.